This question is related to topic DC electricity. A student is planning an experiment to determine the value of a resistivity of metal in a form of a wire by graphical method. State the physical quantities she should measure, suggest a suitable measuring instrument. So we have the formula R is equals to rho L divided by A. So if you want resistivity, the resistance multiplied by area divided by length. And how we can calculate the resistance? Resistance is actually a ratio between voltage and current. So physical quantity which we need, we want to measure voltage, and how we'll measure a voltage? By using a voltmeter. Current, I is a current, we'll measure a current, and how we'll measure the current? By using an apparatus which we call ammeter. Then we have, because to get the resistivity we need R, we need A. A is equals to area of cross section of a wire, which is pi R square or pi D square by 4. So we have to find the diameter or the radius. To get the diameter or radius, which apparatus is used? So we'll use a micrometer screw gauge. And we have to measure the length. L is a length which we have to measure, and how we'll measure the length? By using a meter rule or the meter scale. So these are the physical quantities that student should measure, and the apparatus instrument which he will use for each of the quantity. Then describe how she could use her method to determine the accurate values of a resistivity using a graphical method. So using a graphical method, how she can determine, or how she can find the resistivity? See, we have the formula R is equals to rho L divided by A. So if I compare this, so R is equals to rho L divided by A. So on y-axis, if I sketch R, on x-axis, if I have L over A, ratio between length and area, what will be my gradient? The gradient should be equal to resistivity. So plotting resistance on y-axis and L over A, length divided by area on x-axis, because in a graphical method, like if you plot a graph, so, and this gradient of this line, the slope of this line will be equal to resistivity.